Hello, you trader nerds. How y'all doing? Oh my gosh. Did somebody die? What happened? Look at this. The market. Wow. When it started going up, look, AD told you right here, didn't it? Do you see the divergence? Let me see if y'all see this. Do you see the divergence? If you're a day trader, do you see the AD going up? Do you see that? And do you see this at an area of support? You'd be dumb as a rock, baby, not to go pull this there. Look at that. AD told you. It told you it was going up. This is what you wait for. You can make millions of dollars if you just do this, but you got to sit in front of your screen all day. Is that amazing? God, look at that, y'all. It told us the story. Price just sit there. Price just did nothing at all, y'all. Look, just flat. And AD told you, we are going up, baby. Divergence. This is divergence. And this is how day traders can make millions, but you got to sit there all day. And I was in the doctor's office getting my foot looked at again. Dadgummit! Dagnabbit! Anyway, so I'm not going to sit there and watch it all day. But, you know, how often does that happen? Not that often. But if you can find it, y'all, I mean, anchors away, my friend. Anchors away. We are at the highs of the day. We've got elevated volume. What is it? Did Powell speak or something? Y'all know what's going on? I don't know what's going on. Let's see what the Big Green Monster has foretold. Let's see. Big Green Monster foretold that. What is this? What is all of this? Let's do volume profile at the ES. You don't have volume on SPX. Isn't that amazing? Did y'all know that? There's no volume on SPX. Wow. Waka. That doesn't tell me anything other than looks like we're going back to the 4863. So we'll see. It still needs to explore some areas in here. It might, right? Here's the point of control. So we're fairly priced. Everything looks good, y'all. This just looks good, don't it? So let's get into our big old account. Let's trade it today. Now, we've got the sizing calculator, right? Oh, heck. All men need a good sizing calculator, right? That's what we need. We need a good sizing calculator to figure out how big of our trades it is. So we started with this account back on November the 1st, and we're up about, I don't know, $11,000, $12,000 on the account since then. So everything's going good. And we are in week 10, week 11. We are week 12 is today. Look at this. Today's the 17th, 18th. So we're in week 12. Now look at this, y'all. In 3 more weeks, it's going to be rinse and repeat time. It's going to be take them off and put them on. But we are in week number 12 of our 15-week series of putting on the trade. So we should have 14 positions on at this time. How many positions do we have on? Well, that's a good question there, Bob. We have 11 positions on, if I have put everything in correctly, which I don't know if I have or not, to be honest with you. I need to go back and double check that. I thought I'd have 12. So, we could probably do a 2-trancher today. I don't know. Let's see if I put all my trades in here. Let's see, the last one, 12.29. No, I don't think I have. Well, I don't know. Let's go here. We did a 1-3. We did a 1-3. Yeah, I don't think. Well, we did 111. Yeah, I guess I put them in there. Say 12.29. I guess we got them all in there. So we're good to go. So let's build it out, baby. What y'all say? It says we should have 14 tranches now? Let me go back to my little calculator. And we've only got 11. Okay. Let's see if we can tell from our thing how many we got here. Let's see. Let's go into our thingy red jig right here, and let's go to positions. Oh my gosh. Let's group them by order chain. See if that'll do it. So we've got there's 2 tranches. There's a whatamajig. There's another 2 tranches. So that's 4 tranches. All right, let's go over here. Waka. There's another 2 tranches. So that's 6 tranches. And then we got, oh my God, what is that? 6, 7. There's a 7th tranche. There's an 8th, 9 tranche. There's a 10 tranche. There's 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know if I got all of them on there or not. It's hard for me to. I got ADHD, y'all. I meet up with it. I meet up with the diabetes, and I meet up with the ADHD. I got PTSD. I got all kind of stuff. Hell, I was even constipated last night. I got it all. It's everything. So let's see. I think I just want to do one tranche today. All right, let's be safe. So let's enter all of our stuff into our spreadsheet first. Let's say we're at 461, 427, 461, 440. Let's say 461, 440. So our net lick is down some, 461, 440. And the reason is because volatility's gone up, 61, 440. So we're up, we lost $1,400, but we're still up $2,069. How are we doing compared to the market? The market is up 0.09% and we are up 0.45%. That is alpha, baby. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So today's the 18th, 1824. So what are we going to do here? Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratios. Oh, crap. What happened here? Did I not enter them in last time? Let's just keep the same thing we had last time. Okay, so we'll say that VIX was 12. And I don't know, 26, just to make it look good. I can't stand holes. So, all right, what were we doing? Oh, we were going to look at our Greeks and ratios, weren't we? All right, so we got 339, 387, 339, 387. Wow, look at that. 339, 387. Waka. What is the VIX up to? Isn't it about 13 now? 14. Wow, that's why we get down money, y'all. VIX go up, we lose money. VIX go down, we make money. And let's see how our buying power is doing in this little account here. So we're at 156, say 157,000. Wow. So we're only using 34% of our buying power. So we're good. I think we're on target here because we want to use about 50%. So let's just put us on a one truncher today. And let's see how it's going. Let's see. What else we're doing? Let's see. Here we go. So let's do. I forgot how to do it. Trade. Again, keep in mind, I have not had my medicines today, so I don't have my Adderall. I hadn't had all that stuff, so I'm not up to snuff where I need to be. So apologize if I'm a little shaky today. Hey, we've got a 120 dayer. Look at that! Wow, Waka. All right, so 120. So we need to go about the 25 delta and buy and sell and buy. But here's the thing: I don't want to go up this high. It'll be too, and I kind of hate using the same strikes over again. Let's pay for a cheap one here. Let's do a 45.50, 4,400. 45.50, 4,400 for $7. There we go. So we'll do one tranche of those. I just don't want to do the same strikes. Okay. And then we'll go down to the 5% probability of being in the money. So that's about there, 1450 on the 3900s. So let's try to pop that up to 1475. And let's do a quantity of 2 of them and see if we get filled. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come with daddy. So let's make it less advantageous for us. Drop it down to 1450 and feel better. We are in. Now, let's see what else we need to do for that one. I think that's it. So we got a 112 in for the day, y'all. Isn't that cool? So does everybody see how we're sizing it? So I think I have provided the sizing calculator in the Muscadine Mafia room. If y'all want the sizing category, it's in the Muscadine Mafia. But it's kind of cool. You put in your net lick, right? And you put in how much a tranche costs you, and it costs about $12,000 per hours. And you put in your target, that you want to put in, and then it'll tell you that you're going to use half of your account, 225. And I have $15,000 a week to spend. So that means I can put on 1.22 tranches per week. So that's really, really cool, y'all. Really cool way of doing it. So we are here. And let me just do this. Let me just make all of these the same color. Well, why not I just do this? Make these all the same. Well, make all of these the same color so we kind of know where we're at. That way we can easily see them. I'm going to use a pretty little, I'm going to use a light blue there. There we go. So you can see when we have 3 more weeks, what we're going to do, y'all, is we're going to start rinse and repeat. We're going to take the nakeds off and we're going to put another trade on. Necked's off, put another trade on. Necked's off, put another trade on. Anyone got a question about the campaign? So we are timing this campaign to build up to 50%. Otherwise, you would go, oh my gosh, you look at it every day and you would say, I'm going to have to put a trade on every day. This way, you spread it out for every week. So we're doing one trade a week. Now, easily in this account, I could have done a trade every other week, right? Or you could say, I'm going to do one trade a month, whatever it is that you want to do. But this is a great way of visualizing where we're at. So I cannot wait till we get to rinse on, rinse off. And that will be in week 16 when we just say, hey, man, let's take one off. Let's put another one on. And we should have 18 tranches at that point. Okay. All right. Short and sweet today. I will see y'all tomorrow.